Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a veteran coin, which is Ethereum Classic. Now, I have covered this quite a lot on my channel, but I've also made over 7,000 videos. So obviously, I covered Ethereum Classic quite a few times as well. I haven't covered it in a while, though. All right, so we're taking a look at it today for a clear reason, and that is that it's been moving. First of all, it's been relatively bullish for multiple reasons. But I also think we can rally higher, all right? And that's what I think is interesting. That's why that's what I want to share with you. So that's what we will do, all right? So yeah, let's get right into it. I mean, first of all, I think it's wise to talk a little bit about the fundamentals. Ethereum Classic, I mean, in general, it's a bit of a shitcoin, I would say. All right, and people are going to hate me for this, but if you look at the momentum now as well, you can see that most of the volume that's streaming into Ethereum Classic is coming from some shady exchanges, all right? And then apart from that, also a lot from Bybit, which usually, if that's the case, it's just, it's a bit manipulated, all right? So there's a lot of normal volume as well. Don't get me wrong, I'm not telling you that Ethereum Classic is fully manipulated, but I do think you should be a bit careful and expect more volatility and more unexpected moves. But what's the case as well, and that's also one of the key reasons why I think Ethereum Classic is interesting, is that for some reason, Ethereum against Bitcoin, so basically the relative strength from Ethereum against Bitcoin and the market, has been quite bullish. All right, especially in the last 24 hours, that has broken out and rallied quite high. So what usually happens then is that Ethereum beta coins like Ethereum Classic have the chance to do some things. So look, this needs to continue. This bullish momentum needs to continue if we want to see a relatively bullish Ethereum Classic. But right now, it is bullish, technically, all right? So that's fundamentally bullish for Ethereum Classic as well. And then to add on to that, what you can see as well is that we've actually formed quite a bullish market structure in the last 2 weeks for Ethereum Classic. We were kind of consolidating right here in this region for some time. And then what happened this morning is we broke above a significant level right here, around 28 and $28.5, which you can also see right here is quite a respected resistance level. So breaking above that means something as well. So we have some reason to be, no, I'm going to delete that. We have some reason fundamentally to be bullish on Ethereum Classic. We have some reason to be technically bullish on Ethereum Classic after breaking above the 200 EMA and the 0.5 FIB right here at 28.5. And then kind of as a cherry on top of the cake, we also see quite a lot of momentum coming into Ethereum Classic. As you can, oh, excuse me. Which you can see right here. The open interest has increased quite a lot. And then also for the last 4 days, there's been quite a lot of spot buying, which I personally always think is quite bullish as well. So there's a lot of positives. So when I see a lot of positives, I have to be bullish on this, all right? I try to not get my emotions in the game too much. Ultimately, technically, what we need to do is we need to confirm a breakout above 28.5. So what would be best is if we do a retest here and that the open interest still stays high then. If that happens, I think it's most likely that we'll rally back up to $32 right here. And in general, this is also what I think is most likely. It's like I said, it's dependent on a couple of things. So Ethereum against Bitcoin needs to stay bullish, and that's something that I cannot really predict. All right, so that's also, and that in combination with the fact that there's some manipulation going on, I would say be careful while trading Ethereum Classic. But if we're purely talking about facts here, it is most likely will continue going up. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.